Okay, let's start. So create new sheet and create sequence of 60 quarter and use EO month from start date every 3 months. So next quarter -1 here. Then hide this one. Then create the text for quarter, month, divide by 3, and year. Free cell here. Now WFF. Then this is the inflation rate and rate for non-union and union. Inflation rate is increased every quarter, so the sequence of quarter divide by 4. And rate for non-union is increased 1 per year, so any year of everything minus year, start year here, so E3. Same for union, and this is information for location base here, and then this is also location base. I just drag down here, then I change format to number, remove decimal, and then this is minimum of worker, so maximum is 10. And this is training, so increasing training by 1000, but not increase 1000. And this is what we have, so previous one plus training, and copy it to the right. Then the rate for admin, so if this is equal to no, this means non-union, we use the rate from E5, and if not, we use the rate from E6 multiplied by the administrative cost when quarter is more than 4. You can use same formula to calculate training costs and labor costs here, so multiply by the number of training, multiply by hour, and hour rate. This is same for labor, let's copy that. Next is hour for car A, so minimum of this one multiplied by 100, and will not exceed 10,000 car by 250 hours here. Hour for car B is the same, so it's the all hour minus by hour from A here. And number of car A equal to all hour divided by hour to build car A. Copy down here, and this is car B. Then material we need to ship 1 quarter before, so this have to ship this one and multiply by material cost. Same for map B, but change this to rate for B. And I can use the same thing here, copy here. This is B map, and this is the ship for material A, so transport, need to round up location 1 here by 2 decimal, and this one, so this is the weight multiplied by distance, multiplied by the cost, but divided by 1000 pounds and 100 miles. Copy down car B, change this to E, so this is B ship. Then the ship car back, so I need to do the memo on the percentage of the dealer, of each dealer here. Then this time multiply by number of cars, so car A plus car B here, multiply by the rate, but this rate is by 100 miles. And summarize total production cost from labor, material A, material B, ship format A and ship format B, and sale is equal to number of car A multiplied by price for car A, and price for car B multiplied by number of car B, and you need to multiply the inflation rate. Then EBITDA equal to sale minus production cost minus ship cost minus administration cost and training cost. Then this is for tax. Just transition. Tax equal to EBITDA multiplied by rate here, but we have some shipping, so the quarter is have to be more than this one plus staff. And this is the capital building cost for 4 quarters. And then summarize everything, EBITDA minus tax minus this one. And this is the only sum on the cash flow here. And this is NPV on 2.5% on everything. Put down and out of it. Then we need to summarize the EBITDA from 4 quarters, so sum from this by 4 quarters, copy down, and then summarize everything, sum everything, and copy down. Now, question one is the inflation for Q4 23. Q4 23, so minus 1. And this is the last quarter price, so index multiplied by rate here. This is our, this is each quarter reach 10,000, so this quarter. Next one is number of hour B. And shipping cost for car A. So material cost for car B. Then total production cost. And training cost. And number of mile here. And shipping cost here. And EBITDA, and then tax, then the cash flow, net cash flow, and NPV, then the sum of 4 quarters, then minimum central, so minimum of distance from location 1, minimum distance from all location, maximum for NPV, and maximum for 4 quarters. Done. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.